Wiper blades. They keep your windshield clean and you safe on the road. Changing a wiper blade is something that anybody can do because it requires zero tools and zero experience. Hi, I'm Mr. Cyr the Shop Teacher, and today I'm going to show you how to change your wiper blades. Wiper blades come in all shapes and sizes. If you're not sure which ones to choose, ask your local auto parts dealer for assistance. There are several different types of wiper arms. For today's demonstration, we are going to look at the hook type. To remove the wiper blade, lift the tab, push the wiper blade down, and lift up the arm. As you can see, I've removed my old wiper blades, and now I'm ready to install my new ones. This new wiper comes preloaded with the correct adapter. However, in most situations, you open up the package and there's a variety of different adapters and you have to find the right one for your wiper arm. So just refer to your instructions for this information. To install the new wiper blades, lift the tab, insert the adapter into the wiper arm hook, slide the wiper into position, close the tab. And there you have it. Less than 10 minutes of work and I've got 3 wiper blades changed. It's like my students say, it's not rocket appliances. I'm Mr. Cyr the Shop Teacher. Hope you've learned something. See you next time.